Business English can be full of abbreviations, especially in emails. Let's go through some you'll definitely see. Number 1, ASAP, as soon as possible. For example, can you send me that report ASAP? FYI, for your information. For example, FYI, the meeting has been moved to Friday. EOD, end of day. For example, I need your feedback by EOD. OOO, out of office. For example, I'm OOO until Monday. And next one, CC and BCC. So CC means carbon copy. Other people see the email. And BCC means blind carbon copy. Others can't see who else received that email. Now, some office-specific ones. KPI, Key Performance Indicator. ROI, Return on Investment. PTO, Paid Time Off. So using this correctly makes you sound confident and professional. Which one of these do you see most in your emails? Perhaps you can share other interesting abbreviations